Hi, good evening guys. Mamili pala daw kami ng ano, hindi pala, wala pang sweldo. So, tumingin na muna, no? Window shopping muna. Ayun yung kasama ko, mga, ano. Oh, ayan yung view. Pauwi. Ay, ang ganda oh. Oh, papuntang ano, metro station. Yan po yung mga kasama namin, oh. Mga, ay hindi pala. We're going to speak Tagalog and English. Not Bisaya because Malayalam and Hindi. Kit na! So, ayan, naglalakad na kami papunta. Ayan yung mga kapatid ko. Yan daw yung nanay, ay tita pala. Hindi naman nanay, tita. Si Madam Jeneline Mercado. Ay, try to speak anything. Sure. Oh, yan yung, ano to? Oh, mas malinaw pa yung camera ko kaysa sa mata ko. Sok Alwatan? Ito, Kabayan Sok sa likod. Hindi ko alam. Sumusunod lang kami dito sa kasama naming dalawa. Ito pala yung shop po, Hyper Touch. Ito yung sinasabi nila, oh. Fee, ano? Fee 10 real? Aywa. 10. This one 10 real? See guys, 10 real. Shala. This one 10 real? Ah, yes, at all. So, yan daw po yung 10 real. Ito daw po yung 10 real. Pero ito mabango. Ito for ladies as well. Ito daw, 30, 45, 40. See this guy, Malum Tagalog, Espanyol. Habla Espanyol? Little? Okay, I will video.
For inquiries, Hasher Hussein, 507-483-5.
Ah. Mura dito. It's okay, I will put your WhatsApp number.
Which channel?
Oh, wait. Ayan si ate, oh. Ang dami nang binili, oh. Oh, ano na lang nabili mo, te? How much this one? Original, 50 real. Ay, not 50. Mali pala. 40. Ito yung kay Hearty Banglista daw. How much this one? 40 real as well. This type, 10 real, 10 real, 10 real, 10 real. This one also 10 real.
If you buy more less price, you're wasting your money. Only for 10 real, what is it? Only eating chicken biryani, one palas. The 10 is more. Because of original. I give more for it.
Okay.
Because you suki here, not doing.
So. What else now? I want to have extra perfume.
Valaya.
Which one? This one?
Valaya, the famous perfume, trending perfume.
Can I see
Yan po yung shop nila. Tapos ito po yung contact number. Bye guys!
the size only
Ay.
the problem with the Raj? Because Raj is too much
Ayan,
big.
uwi na kami. Tatri. Ne. Ayan si ate. Oh, magkano ka, te?
Only 200.
200?
Yes.
Hmm.
I have also free.
Binigyan ng free?
Yes.
Ay, dito na kayo bumili, guys.
210 normally my bill, but only 200.
Okay.
Free.
Okay. Sila. Lalayas na yung mga kasama namin. Book. Next time ulit. Bye! Si ate.